Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Mokele. Let us sound the following words together in the right diction. Number one, family. Family, not family. Family. Number two, business. Business, there's you. That is BU. There's you there changes to a sound. Business. Business. Aunt. Aunt, my aunt, not my aunt or my auntie. Cousin. Cousin. Love. Love, not love. Love. Then glory. Glory, not glory. 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 Story. Story. Bus. Bus, my bus stop. Bus. Baby. Baby, not baby or baby. Baby. Baby, my baby. My baby is very cute. Baby. Fire. Fire, not fire. Fire. R. R. 1 R. Thank you for clicking on my video.